Hey guys, it's Dilya London, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk to you about 18-year-old Grammy-winning singer Billie Eilish and the reasons behind her success. I'm sure there are people, especially of younger generation, who know about her life so much more than I do, but I'm here to open a discussion. I did some research. If you have thoughts of your own, you are very welcome to add them in the comment section down below. I would actually love to talk about it and reflect on this topic.
Let's do this shit.
First of all, she's really talented. She believes in herself, knows exactly what direction she wants to move in, and works really hard.
Duh.
Now let's take a look at Billie's past. Billie's parents both have background in music and acting. Billie and her brother Phineas were homeschooled, and both of the parents nurtured the love for music. Billie's father actually made her mixtapes, which helped her develop an open-minded approach to music genres and also develop her music taste. Their parents supported Billie and Phineas when they showed interest towards something. For example, giving Phineas a drum set when he got a test with drums, as he mentions in his Grammy interview. I'd like to specifically underline there is nothing more important and powerful than parents' support at the early stages of talent development. Nothing, literally nothing. It will create a strong basis for kids' personalities. So please, dear parents, believe in your kids, in their talent. Don't try to force. You can suggest, but let them choose their way. Make sure they feel loved and supported. For me, this is the reason number one for Billie's success. It's her family. Okay, moving on. Throughout music history, duos have shown to be very powerful. Famous duos collabs include John Lennon and Paul McCartney, of course, Daft Punk, Elton John and Bernie Taupin, and many others. As you probably know, Billie has a sibling brother Phineas, who she's very close to, and they create music together. Having a partner can definitely help a musician become more successful.
Yeah, she's hard, come on.
Also, I noticed a very strong music community around Billie. She connects really well with musicians from different generations and genres. For example, Avril Lavigne, Alicia Keys, Billie Joe Armstrong, Khalid, Ariana Grande, Justin Bieber, etc, etc. There is this strong sense of mutual respect. These connections help Billie grow as a person and also broaden her audience. And it's really nice to see the spirit of lifting each other up, friendship, collaboration, instead of constant dispute, competition, and taking each other down.
Wow, that's crazy.
Of course, social media presence cannot be ignored nowadays, but the important thing is that Billie remains her authentic self when she communicates on social media with her fans. She talks about her struggles, depression, Tourette's syndrome, and challenges she's going through. And then, of course, she also makes jokes, and all of that makes her more human, more interesting, and relatable. She connects with her fans as if she was her friend, rather than just being an idol. Unfortunately, that happens less and less because the bigger she got, the more hate she received through social media, and I suppose she cut down on her communication a lot and she stopped reading comments, which is, you know, very sad, but very understandable as well.
Yes!
The next reason is Billie's vision. It's everywhere. Album covers, the way she dresses, merch design, tour visuals, her music videos. She takes part in every aspect of her career and makes sure all the visuals transmit her style and vision. And in marketing terms, that creates a strong brand identity.
I love it!
And last but not least, Billie and Phineas create music because they love music. Not for the Grammys, not for the fame, but to create something they genuinely love. Sometimes it's so easy to detect a song that has been written through special algorithms because it sounds predictable, commercial, mainstream. But since it was created for the sake of becoming famous, maybe it even will be for a couple of months. But it will never become part of the big picture of the music history. Maybe I'm naive, but it's something I'd like to believe in. Otherwise, music loses its soul for me. So these are the 7 reasons behind Billie Eilish's success I wanted to highlight for you. If you have any thoughts, please leave them in the comments down below. I would really love to read them. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It is very important to me. Thank you very much for your time. Stay connected and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.